DirectFix.com presents
The iPhone 4S Proximity Light Sensor Standby Switch Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
We are going to begin disassembly by removing the SIM card tray. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two screws at the bottom of the unit. Slide off the back cover. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove all of the shields covering the ribbon connectors. Remove the screws securing the battery connector and carefully pull out your battery. With your case opener tool, pry up all of the ribbon connectors. With a Phillips screwdriver as well as a flathead screwdriver, remove the screws holding the motherboard in place. Carefully remove your motherboard. Remove 2 Phillips screws holding the power standby switch. You can now pull back the ribbon for the power standby switch and pull out the physical button. The ribbon for the proximity sensor is wrapped around the ear speaker, so you must remove the ear speaker before you can remove the sensor. First, remove this small plastic cover. Now carefully pull the proximity sensor out of its place. Pull out the ear speaker. And now you can remove the ribbon harness for the proximity sensor and power standby switch. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.